All right, so we've got a gallon of hydraulic fluid in it and 15 psi from the air compressor. Now we're about to see if she actually works. Not sure which way this needs to go, so we're about to find out. Nope, maybe we need more pressure. $25. Oh, it's doing something. Ooh. Sounds like we got an air leak. Okay, here we go. Round two. Cranked her up to about 90 on the compressor, and well, it'll still pick with me on it. That's about 260. Hopefully it'll do this with that sow on it. It's interesting that it does the last few inches that way. There's probably something going on in that actuator that I'm not familiar with. Those chains are definitely doing their job too. Definitely. Not bad for $30.